How to register as a Grab driver. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to register as a Grab driver. First of all, open up the web browser. After opening the web browser, search here how to register as a Grab driver. Then tap on the first link which appears after the search. Or you can get the answer from the frequently asked questions. So tap on the question relevant to your query. Then find out its solution from here. And from here, you can find out the site. Tap on it. Once you get into its site, you can see the process to register as a Grab driver. Register online through register.grab.com/id. Fill and submit all the document requirements on the online registration form. Grab team will invite you to come to their office or GDC to do the document verification. Upon successfully completing the verification and online training, your driver account will be activated. Then start driving with Grab. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.